can dispute an inquiry from you can dispute any of your inquiries, but I do suggest if you guys got approved for a credit card and that credit card is on your credit report, do not dispute that inquiry, or it's going to most likely remove that account off of your credit report and flag it as fraud. And you don't want that to happen. Sometimes I see people disputing inquiries before their account is added to their credit report. You can decide if you want to go that route or not. But remember, you guys should not technically be disputing accounts that are yours, especially those inquiries, saying that you did not do that inquiry, because it's bad with the credit bureaus. But I see a lot of people disputing those inquiries before the account is added just by simply calling the credit bureaus and having them remove it that way. I'm not sure if you're doing online what box you can check or what you should say. I see a lot of people just doing it online or sending a letter disputing in the mail. Now, I told you guys, like, I try to watch what I'm saying, and I think I should continue to watch what I'm saying. I'm looking at so much stuff, but I see a lot of people just calling the credit bureaus and saying, hey, I have this inquiry. I need to get it removed from my credit report, and they remove that inquiry. I'm not condoning. I'm not telling you guys to do that. I'm just telling you that that is what I have seen, and I think that I should be able to say that I have seen people do that multiple times, and then the inquiry come off. A lot of times, too, Experian remove that inquiry in as little as 4 hours. So that's what they do. They just call, get it done. I'm not sure what box you would check to get this done, or if you're doing it online, but I just see a lot of people just calling or mailing a letter to get that